Hey guys, I'm working on this 1970 Chevy Impala. We got a new master cylinder after we bled the brakes. We still had a spongy condition on the brake pedal, so we're changing out the master cylinder. And they got a new way of bleeding this master cylinder. You've got the old method where you put the tubes coming from the outlet here and here back into the reservoir, and then you stroke the piston, and then you just keep going until the bubbles stop coming. But this one they use plugs as well, so I'm going to try this plug method. So we got these plugs in here, and I've got a blunt tool to stroke it now, and we're just going to stroke it about an inch, I believe is what it says. 3/4 to 1 inch strokes. So we're going to do a stroke, and then we're going to go slow. So that's about an inch there. So we're going to just go slow here and okay. There's some air coming out of there. That's got quite a bit of pedal. Now the idea is you keep going until there's no more bubbles coming into the reservoir, or until there isn't, you can't depress this. Well, that was some effort, but we got all the air out of that now, so we're just going to top up with some fresh brake fluid. And we'll put the cover back on, and we'll go stick it in the car.